Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Nowadays, people can easily find and share information online. What problems can this cause, and what are the solutions? The modern age is of data which is shared online frequently. Although the ease and speed to share information is quite fast, yet the problems caused by it cannot be ignored, which include spreading false and misleading information. There is need to address the issue so that the use of online resources can be safe. To start with the major problems caused by the online information shared, these days the internet is flood of information which cannot be considered reliable fully. The resources are in abundance, which share fake or misleading data, which can cause confusion and panic to the receivers. Consequently, they become target of the same and mostly manipulated. The personal information stored online can also be misused, leading to identity theft or stalking, which causes mental disturbance. This gives opportunities to the cyberbullying and harassment, resulting in emotional distress. The severe cases have already been witnessed, where the targeted ones are teenagers who are an easy prey of the hackers. There is need to curb this situation, otherwise the situation will be out of control, further creating problems for the consumers. The laws should be strictly implemented to protect data, and those who leak and misuse the data must be penalized. The awareness campaigns can be started so that the situation can be made under control. The education to the individuals can make them aware about the reliable resources to access online material, besides having knowledge of critical evaluation of the online content. In conclusion, we are in the age of data where the data safety concerns are genuine. The need is to address the issues for the purpose of safe and trustworthy online environment. The combined efforts of the government to protect the data and its users can work a lot to ensure online protection. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.